Hi, this is Jena, and we're coming to you live from the Data Heroes Hub at Summit 2023. I have the extreme pleasure of being here with Neha and Rebecca from Northwestern Mutual. First, Neha, can you tell us a little bit more about Northwestern Mutual?
Sure, yeah. Northwestern Mutual is a Fortune 500 company. It sells different types of life insurance and annuities products. Rebecca and I, we are both part of the institutional investment arm of the company. So essentially, all of the premiums, the money that Northwestern Mutual makes from that, our group is responsible for investing it so that we can make more money for our policyholders.
Awesome. I always like to start with that because it gives us a good background of who you guys are, but I'd actually like to learn a little bit more about you and your roles. Can each of you go and tell us about what you do at Northwestern Mutual? Start with you, Neha.
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Neha Gupta. So I am the Director of Data Engineering. My team and I, we are building this data platform using Snowflake as the core, as the data warehouse, and we are building a whole ecosystem around it for our business partners so that they are able to make decisions faster with accurate data. So that's what my team does.
Great. And Rebecca?
And I'm Becky. I'm a data analyst on the investment strategy team. I work a lot with real estate. So currently, like on a day-to-day basis, I'm working on getting rid of and replacing some of our legacy systems, such as our Access databases and Excel spreadsheets, and getting those processes into Snowflake.
That's awesome. And you guys had a presentation here earlier where you talked a lot about your transformation. You both have gotten very far, but also are in the midst of that journey. Can you tell us a little bit more about that transformation?
Yeah, so we started 2 years ago with our transformation journey. We still are in the process of it, and I think we are still at least a good 2 to 3 years away from being completely transformed. There's always something better to do, but we have found great success with using Snowflake, and we are solving big data challenges with implementing Snowflake and providing value to business.
That's awesome. And I think a lot of people here are seeing that transformation as this ongoing story, and I thought your session did a great job at kind of talking about how you stage that and dive into that.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah, I was just complimenting you on how well your session went through kind of the different stages of that transformation.
Right.
So transitioning into our next question, I want to ask you about just how the event went overall. You were speakers here, but you also got to explore the event now after a couple of days. What was some of the things that you noticed? What was exciting that you saw?
Yeah, so I thought during the keynote session, some of the announcements were very exciting to me, especially the partnership with NVIDIA and the focus that Snowflake is placing on generative AI. I think there'll be some really good use cases for us as a company that we'll be able to leverage and basically get more out of our data.
And that's how the transformation journey continues and continues, is discovering new features and finding ways that they can move the business. And so, Rebecca, we were talking earlier, and there's some great new features that you're excited about. You want to tell us what really caught your eye earlier today?
Yes, one of the main one was the document AI. We have so many documents within real estate where that new functionality built into Snowflake would be really great. So I can't wait to get started with it and try it out.
That's awesome. And I think you also mentioned data sharing. There were some products that caught your eye too?
Some of the new partners that are joining Snowflake and being able to share the data and get that data from them via Snowflake is very exciting. So we're looking forward to that too.
Yeah. I think what's so exciting about, the keynote that we saw yesterday and some of the new features that we're developing for builders is the network effect. So the data from both our vendors and customers kind of all coming together and enriching the insights that we can all get. So with that, I want to thank all of our listeners for tuning in here and encourage everybody to go to developers.snowflake.com to learn more about those features and great content to get you started on Snowflake. Thanks so much.